Hey everyone, this is Vince from Haggerty's Music, here to show you something new in the shop. This came out on March 14th of this year. This is the Epiphone Chris Stapleton Frontier signature model. It's a very rare guitar because only 300 of these were made. Let's give it a listen, shall we? Yeah, this is a really good sounding guitar, but don't let the name Epiphone throw you off at all. This is a masterfully crafted instrument. We have a solid thermally aged Sitka spruce top with AA flame maple on the back and sides within a beautiful sunburst finish, a bone nut, a bone saddle, and a 25.5-inch scale length. An awesome guitar for your collection.